me show you this black bathroom mirror that was just gifted. You can also use it for like an entryway or other rooms as well. So I'm using it in the bathroom. And here I have like a black light, and I have like a brownish, very dark sink, which makes it fit perfectly in my bathroom. It is very nicely made. It is made with thickened aluminum frame, resist water, moisture, rust for a longer period of time. It is so nice. Like if you see the close-up of it, it has those gaps, which makes it like a 3D view, which is so pretty, very elegant. On the four corners, you do have this kind of 3D design, so pretty with sharpened edges. The mirror itself is like crystal clear, like you can see everything like with your own eyes. It is so nice. Like you can do makeup, your hair, and you can see every detail on it. And here, let me show you the gapping between the mirror and the frame itself. Like it is so unique. I've never seen mirrors like this, and it is so clear. Like you can see, here's my hand, and you can see it so clearly. I'm just obsessed with this mirror. It looks very basic, but at the same time it's very elegant. I love the 3D effect that they did. In the back of the lens is covered with an anti-explosion film, which provides a certain degree of protection for your lens. It is made with very high quality. Like you can see how thick it is, and it's very soft here, and you have soft edges for more protection, and it's pretty deep. Like you can see how it's giving like a 3D effect on here as well, and here how we have the corners.